It's often said that the best stories are written by those who dream about building a better world. People who work day after day with determination and professionalism towards a future upon which they will leave their indelible mark. Our story begins in 1957. That was the year Harry Sternfield, the father of Soviet cosmonautics, launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. The event was an international milestone whereby the most advanced technology of the period finally allowed us to explore the universe like never before. That same year, on the other side of Europe, engineers Rafael Escolar and Luis Olartua founded Idom, an association of engineers united by their work and a common goal. Idom accompanies its clients in all phases of a project. Basing themselves on a formula of company commitment, excellence and dedication to providing the best possible service, the founders of the company saw their dream come to life one step at a time. Nowadays, Idom has over 2,500 professionals working in more than 38 offices the world over. The high degree of professionalism of our team and the commitment and flexibility with which we undertake each of our products are the key factors that contribute to the success of our company. Our clients come back to us again and again with new projects and ask us to accompany them around the world. In the area of industry and energy, the success of our philosophy and work practices is evident in the full engineering and project management services we provide to many different sectors. Idom's international reputation in the field of electric energy is additionally consolidated by the company's more than 30,000 megawatts of installed capacity. The company's experience and expertise means we can design both the basic engineering and the fine details of more than 12 power plants each year. Since 2009, we're also one of the leaders in solar thermal energy, having developed more than 20 projects around the world in the United States, South Africa, Spain and India. Idom has more than 60 years' experience in the steel sector. This wealth of experience has made us leaders in the world of metal. From 1957 onwards, the company has played a leading role in the development of the most important steel products in the Basque Country. Working with Repsol and Cepsa, we've acquired the experience to deliver the engineering services refineries need to adapt to changing markets. In 2009, we acquired AEC Engineering, an American company with more than 40 years' experience in the sector. The mining industry is also one of our important business areas. In this particular sector, the company has the capacity to develop full engineering and EPCM services for any materials handling project and different types of processes. The company's ongoing commitment to being environmentally friendly has led us to back the implementation of many renewable energy projects around the world. The company has designed biomass and solar thermal power plants, wind farms, hydroelectric, geothermal and marine and nuclear energy power plants. We've also designed transmission line projects and power distribution substations. Idom covers the entire industrial sector from start to finish, designing and supervising the construction of plant facilities to the highest level for any industry, whether it be paper, cement, food, automotion or glass. Our high degree of professionalism and personalized dedication to each project has earned us the confidence of the most important industrial firms on the international scene. Fidelity that has catapulted us around the world and helped us achieve milestones in modern engineering. Back in Europe, Airbus, the huge giant of European aerospace, entrusted Idom with the design and construction supervision of its manufacturing plants for its A380 and A400 Airbuses. Large multinational Mercedes-Benz also relied on Idom for the construction management of its manufacturing plant in Vitoria, Spain. General Electric hired Idom to carry out the basic and detailed engineering of its standard plant for its new gas turbine, as well as the very first combined cycle power plant to incorporate the same turbine in Bouchain, France. For many years, thousands of kilometers south in the warm soil of Africa, Idom has been developing projects in countries such as Angola, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Morocco and Ghana. Projects that aspire to improve the quality of life of their inhabitants. Today, thousands of Algerian families have electricity in their homes, thanks to power generation projects developed by Idom. And in Ghana, hundreds of villagers have drinking water, thanks to the Accra desalination plant, an engineering project developed by our firm. On the other side of the Mediterranean, in the Middle East, Idom is currently working for the Saudi electricity company in Riyadh, converting the PP10 open cycle power plant to a closed cycle plant, installing 40 heat recovery steam generating units and 10 steam turbines. At the same time, in Ras Al Zur, our teams are developing the detailed engineering required for the largest aluminium complex in the world, the Samsung Engineering, a project promoted by Alcoa and Ma'aden. At the opposite end of Asia, in Malaysia, we're responsible for the various construction phases of a cold stainless steel rolling mill for Baru Steel, a project of unprecedented dimensions that has the capacity to produce up to 1 million tons of steel a year. Far away in North America, we've been working for Northern Tier Energy for years on various projects for the continuous improvement of different refineries, such as the complex in St. Paul in Minnesota. Not far from here, at the heart of the Nevada desert, Idom has designed the world's largest solar thermal plant using tower technology developed by Solar Reserve. This huge plant is equipped with the latest technology that captures the energy of the same sun that bathes the lush jungles of South America. Idom has been working in most South American countries for several years now, while our engineers are concluding the works of Brazil's largest float-glass production plant for the multinational AGC Glass Company. Another of our teams is project managing the extension of the Talara refinery for Petroperu. We commit to all of our projects with the same passion with which we have recently ventured into the field of advanced engineering, where we've designed a huge dome with the DKIS telescope in Hawaii. These are just some of the projects being developed by Idom in different parts of the world. Today, the company remains true to the spirit of its founders, with its maximum commitment and dedication to each and every project, delivering engineering and project management services, taking care of every single detail in order to achieve excellence and defending the interests of its clients. Because experience has shown us that just by our believing wholeheartedly in each project, we can make a better future for everyone.